Stronger than ever, the project we're proposing will give the mother an opportunity to be the parent she needs to be to her children, to be better able to meet their complex emotional needs alongside navigating the legal process, the courts, CAFCASS and so on. The mother's usually the one left to pick up the pieces in the aftermath of abuse, whilst managing all the legal demands at the same time, which can be totally overwhelming. Our project, Stronger Than Ever, would offer one-to-one support for families by carefully trained Home Start volunteers who would be compassionate, non-judgmental mentors to the families, visiting them at home, being available to them on the phone, accompanying them to appointments and advocating for them when necessary. Volunteers would also support women around parenting, helping them, for example, to set clear boundaries with their children, boundaries which can be blurred by the effects upon their mental health of domestic abuse in the home. From our experience, women who've been in denial about the impact of domestic violence on their family can come to a very traumatic point where they begin to realise the emotional damage, and at this moment we will be there to offer the families parent and child therapeutic groups facilitated by experienced therapists who specialise in working with people affected by domestic violence. The Home Start approach is very much based on building a trusting relationship between family and volunteer. Families would be seeing the same face every week for as long as they and Home Start feels the support is needed throughout the duration of the project. It takes time and patience to unpack the experience of domestic abuse upon a family. The regular, consistent, long-term and specialised support offered in our Stronger Than Ever project will give a real chance to families to rebuild their lives and to move forward by gaining insight and becoming empowered to do so. We see this in action here at Home Start, where women in families that we've supported have actually moved on to support others in similar situations and ultimately have been able to enter the workplace. The impact of trauma resulting from domestic violence cannot be underestimated. If the family trauma isn't tackled effectively, the cycle of abuse is likely to carry on from one generation to the next. Breaking the cycle of abuse enables better outcomes for all family members and for society as a whole.